Did you know your life story could be told in just 5 scenes? Screenwriters and memorists, they don't write everything. They focus on 5 key turning points. When you know those scenes, suddenly your story feels powerful, structured, and ready to share. And yes, even if you've never written before, you already have those 5 scenes in you. I am teaching a live 1-hour power workshop on Sunday, September 21st at noon. So I welcome Gen X writers and all writers of every age, whether you're 20 or 120. We will uncover those scenes together. For $49, you get a bonus workbook, a journal, a guide, and some more freebies. So we hope to see you there. The link is in the bio. Bye for now.